Looking to create a productive and stylish space? Here's how whiteboard paint can take your creative spaces to the next level. Keep your bold wall colors and add functionality by using clear whiteboard paint over red, blue, or green walls. It's the perfect way to blend creativity and productivity. Want a bright and uplifting space? Combine white whiteboard paint with light tones like sky blue or beige for that airy, open feel. Love rustic, earthy vibes? Apply whiteboard paint over muted browns and greens to add both warmth and functionality to your room. Turn your accent walls into functional whiteboard surfaces. Perfect for writing, drawing, and organizing, while keeping your style bold and fresh. For those who love minimalism, neutral-toned whiteboard paint fits perfectly with sleek, modern designs. Why not try something daring? Use clear whiteboard paint on dark walls for a dramatic contrast, adding a sleek, modern touch to any space. With whiteboard paint, you can mix and match styles while keeping your spaces both creative and functional. Ready to transform your walls? Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com for more inspiration.